Galaxy S21 getting fast-tracked, might even launch in 2020, report. Originally expected to be unveiled early next year, Samsung's upcoming flagship smartphone, the Galaxy S21, might even be launched this year. That's according to a new report out of South Korea, which claims that Samsung may be looking to launch the Galaxy S21 much earlier than usual in what would be a major departure from the norm of the company. The report from South Korean publication, Mountain, claims that key Galaxy S21 components will enter mass production next month, a full 6 weeks earlier than expected, leading to speculations that the company might be considering the possibility of launching its next-gen flagship smartphone this year to offset disappointing sales of its current flagships amidst the pandemic and associated economic uncertainties. While there's no further word on this matter at this stage, it will be interesting if Samsung will break its long-established tradition of launching S-series flagships in the first half of every year and Note series devices in the second half. The company launched the Galaxy S20 lineup earlier this year, so it is likely that the S21 will only come next year, if only a few weeks earlier than usual. Recent rumors suggest that the Galaxy S21 will be powered by the Snapdragon 875 in the US and the Exynos 2100 in Europe and India. While Exynos chips have typically trailed Qualcomm Silicon in the past, leaked benchmark scores over the past few days suggest that it might change this year, what with the Exynos 2100 consistently notching up higher scores than the Snapdragon 875 on Geekbench. Either way, both chips are still works in progress, so it might be a while before they enter mass production. That being the case, it will be interesting to see if the company will be able to launch the Galaxy S21 this year even if it wanted. We don't have any more info on this at this time, but let's hope that we get more details soon.